Many important news stories come out every week in all fields. We are inundated with new news every minute of the day, and it can be hard to pick out which are the most important stories each week. This week was no different. Here is coverage of a few of the most interesting stories of the week. A story about vaping, a story about Hurricane Dorian, and a story about the age of the universe. Vaping has become very popular in schools across the nation, but no one knows the effects of this. According to Sheila Kaplan and Matt Richtel in The Mysterious Vaping Illness That's Becoming an Epidemic, there have been 215 cases of young adults going to the ER for shortness of breath, vomiting, and dizziness said to be related to vaping. According to Lena H. Sun in the Washington Post, at least 5 people have died from a mysterious lung illness thought to be caused by vaping. This is not the only tragic story of the week. This week, Hurricane Dorian struck land, leaving devastation in its wake. According to Mansour et al. From Time.com, Hurricane Dorian left at least 43 dead in the Bahamas after striking as a Category 5 hurricane. CBS News stated on September 10, 2019, that at least 75,000 people have been left homeless after this storm. This is an extremely devastating tragedy that has been highly covered in the news this week. One of the stories being overshadowed by this coverage is a disagreement among scientists on the age of the universe. Previously, scientists believed that the universe was around 13.8 billion years old. The age of the universe is approximated by measuring how fast the universe is expanding and calculating the time needed to get to its current size, says Seth Borenstein from phys.org. A recent study by NG estimated that the universe could be closer to 11.4 billion years old. G's margin of error, however, is large enough to cause controversy in the field, according to Universe Might Be 2 Billion Years Younger study from DW.com. Although this may not seem like a huge problem, it is an issue on scientific and research methods. These are not even almost all of the most important stories of the week, but they give a good variety in different fields. Despite all of the stories covered in the week, the story about vaping, Hurricane Dorian, and scientific controversy could be picked out based on their content and ramifications.